Good morning, guys. How are you all doing today? I hope you're having a wonderful start to your day. So let's take a moment together. Maybe no one asked you today how you are feeling. And, that can be tough sometimes. But let me start by saying I see you, and I know sometimes life feels heavy. You're carrying things no one else may notice, and that can make you feel like the world doesn't stop long enough to check on you. But here's the reality. Everyone around you is carrying their own burdens, fighting their own battles, dealing with their own stress. Sometimes they are so wrapped up in their own struggles that they forget to ask you how you are doing. It is not because you don't matter, but because life is hard for everyone, and in that whirlwind, it's easy to feel invisible. You may be going through a breakup, feeling the sting of loss, or facing the pain of separation. You might be a single mother or a father carrying the weight of your family on your shoulders, trying to be everything for everyone. Or maybe life is filled with financial challenges, the stress of making ends meet, pressing down on you each day. Whatever it is, know that you're not alone. Many of us are walking through similar situations, facing those same storms. Life can feel overwhelming, but remember that some things in this world are simply out of our control. It is okay to acknowledge that. When we hit those bumps in the road, when we reach the point where our strength feels drained, and when we need to, that is when we need to call on the higher power. Trust that in time, even in the darkest moment, the higher power will make all things beautiful again. It may not happen overnight, but healing and hope are always within reach. So while you're walking through the fire, know that you're being shaped, refined, and strengthened for something better on the other side. Keep holding on. And there are brighter days ahead. But this morning, I just want to take a moment just for you. Ask yourself, how am I feeling today? Don't rush through the answer. Be honest. If you are tired, if you are overwhelmed, if you are uncertain, acknowledge it. It's okay to feel that way. You've been strong for so long, and even on days when no one sees it, you know how hard you have worked to keep moving. So here's what I want to do today. First, take a deep breath in and out. Let that breath remind you that you are present, and that's enough. Next, give yourself grace. Life is hard, and it's okay not to have it all figured out. You've made it through every challenge so far, and you'll make it through this one too. And finally, be kind to yourself. When no one asks you how you are, you ask yourself. Make it a habit. Check in with your heart. Take small steps today to nurture yourself. Whether that means taking a break, letting go of little guilt, or simply reminding yourself that you are doing the best that you can. You don't need anyone's permission to take care of yourself. And, it's nice when somebody asks, how are you today? But if that doesn't happen, remind yourself that you deserve peace, rest, and care. So today, stand tall. Life is tough, but so are you. Even when it feels like no one sees your effort, you know your strength. And that's enough. Keep going one step at a time, and remember that you are worth every ounce of care you give yourself. Keep shining. Have a wonderful day. One love.